GMAT Official Guide 2016, question number 19. A rather wordy problem with a lot of information. So let's look at the information that is given. John spends on fruits. How much does he spend? He spends half of his money. On meat products, he spends 1/3 of the money. On bakery products, he spends 1/10 of the money, and the remaining $6 he spends on candies, right? So he has exhausted all the money. What do we want to find out? We want to find out how much money did he spend at the supermarket in all. So the best way to go about is, how do you go? Let the money he spent be X. Now hey, look at the answer option. What does the answer option represent? The answer option represents the money that he would have that he would have spent at the supermarket. If the variable that you are assuming and the answer option represents the same thing, use the answer option and back solve. Nothing better than that. So let's start off with C. The total answer option represents the total money he would have spent. So let's start off with C. Option C is $90. So what if you have $90 as the total money? What is the next thing that you can find out? I can find out how much did he spend on fruit. So the amount spent on fruit is half of total. So that's $45. What is the next thing that I can find out? The amount spent on meat, that is 1/3 of total. So 1/3 of 90 is 30. And how much did he spend on bakery? 1/10 of total. So that is 9. What is next thing that I can find out? So if I add all this, the remaining has to be 6, right? So the remaining has to be $6. Now if I add 45 plus 30 plus 90, what do I get? I get 84, right? Now I get 84. So far he has spent 84. So from total, if I subtract 84, do I get 6? Yes, I do. And that's your answer, option C. You don't even have to worry further. Just mark it and move ahead. Let me just quickly write down another answer option just to give you a little more clarity. Let's look at answer option D. That is $120. Let's say he spent $120, and let's see how it does not add up to the given facts. So the amount of money he spent on fruits, half of the total, that is 60. Amount of money he spent on meat products, 1/3 of 120, that is 40. Amount of money he spent on bakery, 1/10, that is 12. And if you add these values, what do you get? You end up getting 112. So the remaining amount will be $8. It is not 6. So the money that he spent on candies is 8 in case of option D, which is not according to what is given in the. That's why option D does not work. So, and that's exactly why option C works, because it satisfies all the given condition given in the question.